Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into eToro to trade crypto with smart alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into eToro, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.etoro.com and press enter. Once the eToro homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To start trading crypto, navigate to the Trade Markets section. Look for the Cryptocurrencies tab and click on it to view available crypto assets. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Before placing any trades, set up your smart alerts. To do this, find the Alerts section on the platform. Click on Create Alert to specify the conditions for your alert. Set parameters such as price points or percentage changes. Choose how you want to receive notifications. Click Save to implement your smart alert settings. Now you're ready to start trading with informed insights. Explore the platform and take advantage of educational resources if needed. Happy trading! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.